My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the new adware called EssentialConfig. EssentialConfig is a new adware belonging to the load family of adware type infections. EssentialConfig adware, once installed, starts to display its pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this essential config adware was somehow found on your computer, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as you can. So to remove it, check your Finder, check your applications, find this essential config, right click on it, and then move it to the trash. I also recommend you to additionally investigate the computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the website combocleaner.com. The software is available for all popular operating systems. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.